Hello my YouTube friends! We all know that OBS is very powerful for live streaming and recording. I'm always shocked at how many live streamers are intimidated or just plain don't want to learn how to edit. And to be honest, I totally get it. Editing is my least favorite part of the entire creation process. So I always get the question, can you use OBS as your editing software? So today I'm going to show you how you can, and we're going to explore the process a bit so you can see if it's what you want to do. So you know what? Let's get to it! First, let's jump into OBS, and I'm going to show you how you could do this. Then we're going to come back here to the studio, and I'll give you the workflow that can make it possible and talk about the pros and the cons a little bit. So this is the basics of the setup that I would personally use. And I think if you're going to do this, it fits in better with a certain style of video. So you could definitely do this if you do tutorial videos like I do. It's actually pretty simple. If you were going to do gaming videos and stuff like that, I think it's going to work better if you're trying to show off a specific technique in a specific game or something like that. I think it could work very well. So normally I would start off a video in a situation where it's a scene like this. And I can definitely add things to this scene that I would normally add in a video, like a thumbs up thing, and say, hey, leave a thumbs up if you like the content. It's very simple to do. You could put all of these on hotkeys so that you never have to touch a mouse or anything like that, and you just activate them when you feel like it. We can ask for subscribes. All of these things you can add right in the middle of the video while you're talking, and you can just basically ignore that they exist, just like you would on a regular video. For a tutorial, all you have to do is have a separate scene, and you can see that I have my normal transition in there, so you wouldn't even know this wasn't an edited video. I can go in, do my tutorial, play around with all of the different things in OBS and all that kind of stuff, and then I can come back right to this scene right here. So I can have all of the flourishes in both scenes, so I can have my thumbs up like that. And of course I can have my subscribe and all that kind of stuff so that they can show up in any scene. And it's just as simple as putting those things in hotkeys or setting them up as part of your stream deck or something like that. So you can see that it is possible to do a live edit of your video. In fact, it's pretty doggone easy. Now I work really hard to try to create content that I think you guys are going to enjoy. Sometimes I hit and sometimes I miss. But it's really hard to know for sure, and that's where you guys can really help me out. If you're enjoying this video right now, leave it a thumbs up. And if it's not your cup of tea, it's perfectly fine to give it a thumbs down. If everyone watching this video right now leaves it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, it definitely tells me whether this is a good direction for my content or whether I need to move on to something else. So please take a second, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It really does help me out. Let's move on with the rest of the video. I'm guessing you see some of the limitations of live recording, especially if you're prone to rambling or repeating yourself, which is my biggest issue. The way that you can combat this is by using a fully written script that you either memorize or you use a teleprompter, like I do. Teleprompters are not that expensive these days, and they're really easy to use. So to record videos that you edit in OBS, you gotta write your script, and you put the reminders to add your graphics at the appropriate time in your script, like your subscribe and your thumbs up animation. You also want to add notes for scene changes in the right locations on the script. Now you make sure that you have the scene switches and animations so simple using hotkeys or a stream deck, so all you have to do is push a simple button to activate them. Then, with just a little practice, you can record your videos live without the need for any editing. Now, to be totally honest, this really is just an exchange of time. You spend a lot more time up front preparing your script and your scenes, so you don't have to spend any time editing once it's completely filmed. And it can be done. Do you create videos filming in real time with OBS? Tell us how you do it if you do something different down below in the comments. And if you want to see a super simple editing program that's totally free, you should check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. and I'll see you in the next one.